So, good morning. One of my hundreds of thousands of viewers asked me a tutorial for a loop I did somewhere in my channel. It's called Brainwashing Machine. And it was something like that, with a heavy distorted guitar. Alright, so I found that the best way to come up with something is to take a song you like, a riff you like, something you like, play it for 5 minutes, and then start changing things around until nobody can come to you and say, you stole my song. Basically, this was. I was playing like something Money for Nothing of Dire Straits, no? Eccetera, eccetera. So we're gonna do a chord that I see it like an A7 without the third, but probably I'm wrong. To do it, I play. We're gonna play only the second, third, and fourth string all the time. So I bar these three strings. I bar also the first, but we don't use it. On the 7th fret. After I put the index on the 8th fret of the second string and the ring finger on the 9th fret of the third string. And we get this A7 without the third, because we have A first, E, that is the 5th, and G, that is the 7th. We use hybrid picking, so you can only do it with fingers, but if you play it with electric guitar, you have more percussive and rock sound if you use the pick. And usually hybrid picking, you use the pick and these two fingers, but for this one we only need the middle finger. And we play fourth and third string together, the fourth with the pick and the third with the middle finger, like a pinch. Then we make a pull off. So we pull off the ring finger here. If you're intermediate guitar player, you can do it all together. If not, take every little part and play it until you're comfortable with this. So this is the first. Then I play again the fourth string with the pick and the third and the second, the third with the pick and the second with the middle finger together 2 times. So it comes. And then together again with the ring finger, like in the beginning, the fourth and the third. At this point, I play fourth and third string, fourth with the pick and third with the middle finger, but not together, one after the other, and I make the pull off. So something like that. So. last bit, without putting the ring finger, I play the fourth and the third with the pick and the second string with the middle finger, but I put the pinky on the 10th fret, and it comes something like this. And the thing is finished. Really important is to really lock with the timing, so it's better if you try it with a metronome, and I can, oh, it's better if you set it really low, slow in the beginning, not like this, but lower. Good luck, and after you've done with this, you can try also Money for Nothing of Dire Straits, that you have done half of the work already. Money for Nothing is also easier because I'm a better player than Mark Knopfler. Bye.